Hi there, it's Josh at the Classic Competition Company with a very special bike for you guys to take part in. An iconic two-stroke sports bike. This is a 1985 Honda NS400R in all fantastic condition. You can win this bike on our website, theclassiccompetitioncompany.com. Tickets for this are £3.99, plus you get £1,000 with this machine. So like I said, it's all in fantastic condition. We sourced this bike from Fastline Superbikes, who specialise in two-stroke classic sports bikes. So they go through them all. They've got a really good team there servicing them, checking them. So this has all been fully checked. It's all ready to ride and enjoy. As you can see, it's in fantastic condition. It looks too good to be original, so we assume that it has been restored at some point. Really lovely Rothmans factory paint colour scheme there. As you can see, it's got all these little cool extra aero bits, like extra long guards on the forks there. Even on the side stand, it's got this bit of fairing so when it's folded up there, it's extra slippery. So they seem to have thought of everything aerodynamic wise. What we'll do now, we'll start her up. So this is a two-stroke triple V3 and it sounds really good. It's a lot torquier and thumpier sounding than like the RG500 and RD500, which is a bit revier. It's actually quite a loud bike. So got our kickstart there, ignition on. We have warmed it up, so we don't need to put the choke on. Nice and easy to start. I'll give you a little listen to those exhausts. Very nice crackling sound, and of course a very nice smooth engine as well. Proper Honda sounding engine that, no taps or rattles. So there we are. If you fancy an iconic super sports bike, two-stroke at the time, can't get much better than one of these, and it's on our website for £3.99. Because if you do enter, thank you as always for your support and good luck. I'll get out of this tree now.